And boom. Okay, guys. We were trying some stuff on another video that was a fail, but we cannot land it on the nose of the ship, or it will fall apart. So
that's right.
If we throw it up, it's going to crash to the ground, and its wings are going to come off. It's on a styrofoam, got some awesome stickers on it. Oh, stub! And that's all. Fly it.
All right, fly it, big boy. Ah! Wind caught you, didn't it?
The wind caught me and hit me. Yeah, got it.
Well, that was a pretty good ride.
Yeah, that was busted a little bit.
Maybe we could put a string on it and you could run with it like a kite.
But that's not going to work out.
Not gonna work like. And we have landed on Mars. See the little green Martian holding the airplane? That is Alex the Martian. Oh, he's like the Challenger. He lost the wing in flight and now he's crashed. Well, you can't fly no better than that. I ain't getting on a plane with you.
Hey. I probably learned how to fly this thing.
You reckon? Papa do better hold his camera straight. Want me to put that together for you? I don't think you're pushing it in hard enough.
What?
I don't think you're pushing the wings in tight enough.
No, it's okay. I'm okay with 15 times.
He likes to watch it fall apart. That's the reason he does it that way. There we go.
Guys.
The reason Alex has this large plane is because my dog broke his other one.
Yeah.
The little one.
Wingspan is 4 foot tall, an inch lower than me.
Yeah. Are you 4 foot tall?
Yeah, I'm 4'1".
Oh, wow. That's pretty tall for a midget.
Yeah, it's wingspan. Yeah, we'll see how tall it is for you.
I'm 5 foot tall.
That is how tall he is with his wingspan.
Yeah.
This is my papa. This is me.
It is as big as my belly is wide.
You got a pretty big belly. Yeah. Let's see if Papa can fly it good. See.
All right.
Oh, wee!
That's different.
Yeah. That was a good run. I'll repeat, we have more.
I still think we need to take a rocket to it.
Rocket? Okay.
Want me to throw it hard?
Kinda, yeah. I repeat. That was a good crowd. Yeah, but okay, guys. It is the end of the video, and bye.